In this video, I will guide you to the simple steps to transfer money from Standard Chartered Bank to Easypaisa. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, start by logging into your Chartered online banking account. Then once you're in, look for the fund transfer section. So usually it's labeled as interbank fund transfer or something similar. Now, from there, input the necessary details including the recipient's Easypaisa account number and the amount you want to transfer. Then, after confirming the transaction details, you may now submit the request and follow any additional authentication steps like entering a one-time password or using a token. And that's it. Once the transfer is successful, you should receive a confirmation message. Now, if you encounter any issues or have specific questions, then it's always a good idea to check Standard Chartered Bank's official instructions or get in touch with their customer support for personalized guidance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.